Hi folks, welcome back. Just stopped for a brew now. We are 200 miles away from Sitges. We're going through the mountains. And it's out like this. No toll roads. And we got the first 100 mile done quicker than we would on the roads by looks of it, according to the sat nav. We made up about 10 minutes in time. So we stopped and had a brew as it down, rest of the legs. Lovely little restaurant. Didn't eat anything because we had a big breakfast this morning. Oh, very tight bend. Lovely. You caught me out then. Much better roads than the toll roads. I've watched cars coming the other way. Half the time they come round corners on the wrong side. Cut it corner a bit as you do. Let's try not run wide. Yeah, we was right at the top of the mountains before, and the wind was howling. Really leaning into the wind. You have to be really careful. You can just fuel the bike up as well. Only got 27 litres in it, or 26 litres. Working on mileage, I thought it was going to be virtually empty, but there's still a good 7 litres in tank, so that's not a bad thing. Means you're not going to get stuck anywhere. for now. I'll throw a camera back on when we get some more scenery, get out of these woods. But at the moment, we'll concentrate on the riding. You probably can't see it down there now, but the whitewater rafting right down there. I say it's we seen them on the bikes that we just pulled over, but the spec we've pulled over at isn't really ideal for getting this footage, but it may look better on a big screen. I can just about see them. I think they got stuck between some rocks. Anyway, that's us for now. Let's make tracks. Hey folks, just had our last stop in a place called, I know how to spell it, Leida, Leida, about 10 miles out of there. We're now 80 miles from destination, sitges hotel. Blistering hot, 30 degrees. Yeah, that's cool really, just had a stop then at the service area, but they had all benches out in grass area and that was great. There at a Kit Kat. Now we're making our way down to Sitges now. The ride down's been tremendous. We go over the mountain. We're not at a toll road. We've come back roads. This is just the main roadway in now. So we came over the mountain sections for about 80 or 90 miles, and it was stunning. We took some cracking footage. with selfie stick with the camera on and opposite helmet. So we'll try and upload that to YouTube best we can. It's our first thing we're doing, our first time we're doing all this, so you'll have to think of any nonsense, like we'll do our best. Well, there was some decent footage today. We lost the first couple of days and just getting used to things and deleting stuff before it was uploaded, and it happens, doesn't it? It happens. You learn by your mistakes. So we're going to try it. Maybe start editing a bit tonight while we're sat in the bar somewhere. Sit out in the bar somewhere tonight. Got laptop with us. And have a look at how things panned out, because also we've not seen it back yet. We might get it, might be then it's on. Oh, the camera was on. The other GoPro was on as well. So we should have something to eat further. So anyway, I'll throw a camera on again when we come into sitges, and I'll sort your way in. Speak to you in a bit, folks. Bye now. Morning, folks. I think this is day 5. We had a rest day yesterday. We tried stopping this hotel, which is gorgeous, the Estella in Sitges, but it was sold out. There's no rooms left. So what we've done, we're in shorts and t-shirts, a bit naughty, but we're only going round the corner. We've actually booked another hotel just down the road. According to the sat nav, it's 1.5 mile. We walked there yesterday and we sorted it, so we've had to pack everything up this morning. And we're going to make tracks there now, hopefully. So we're going to have a mooch up here now, and hopefully, all being well, we'll be at the hotel in about 5-6 minutes. So we're just moving house. Weather's glorious again. 2 days it's been nice now. But it's a lovely place, so we decided to stop an extra couple of nights. Make a bit of an holiday out of it. So this is Sitges. We're going on the back roads before it gets to the hotel. Obviously yesterday we just went down the resort, down the front, through the marina and on the beach. But today we're doing the back road jobby. So we're going to pull over here. Oh shit. Better put it in gear, eh? We walked this way yesterday. We wasn't 100% familiar with it. And we were struggling at one point to get a hotel. Really struggling. Everywhere's sold out. But we managed to find one anyway. And as I say, it's not that far. Yeah, this is exactly the way we walked yesterday, so hopefully we shall find it without any drama. But yesterday we walked right through centre, so up and down little narrow streets. Bloody bike with panties on won't fit up half of them. But the hotel we've got is a bit cheaper than the one we've stopped in. The parking's free at the back and free breakfast, so we'll have a bit of that. We'll be alright. Bloody shame, bloody loaded bike, so we could have walked there or pushed bike there quicker. Now this is where we're going different. This is where we're going different. Yesterday we went straight down there, but obviously these are one-way streets, so we'll be going down the backs. Look at the playground there. Yeah, so basically it took longer loading the panniers up today. Loading them up, packing everything up, just for go around the corner basically. But needed doing. The sun's really bright today, so I have to keep trying to put a bit of shade on, so I have to see where we're going. So where we are now, we're in the bloody back streets of Sitges. Never been down here before, so we're following our nose basically. No vehicle access that way. So we're doing a righty job here and up here. Got to get here on a train station's right in the centre, just the other side. There's no walking whatsoever if you came on a train, like you got a flight to, I don't know, Barcelona or anywhere. You get here on a train in no time. Jeez, I thought our speed bumps are bad in England. Jesus Christ, these are whoppers here. Whopping speed bumps. No, I don't think I've been down this street before. Doesn't look familiar. This man's got his brake lights on, hasn't he? Yeah, I was just checking he wasn't bloody parked up then, and we sit here like bloody lemons. It's street for no reason. No matter what the time of day it is, the streets are chocker with cars, chocker with them. And there never seems to be any, like there then, them lights are on red. Yeah, he's just gone straight through. Is that a red for the crossing or red for this? What's the, because he's just, that lad just here, he's a local, he's just gone straight through it there. I'm tempted, because they've stopped at the line over there, the other ones on the other side of the road, they've stopped at the line. This fella just, look at him, he's not green anyway, but he just like sailed through. There's no rhyme or reason for half of the traffic lights and crossings. Sometimes the people stop, sometimes they don't. We did that when we came in, some red traffic lights, and people on scooters just seem to go through them, unless they're just not asked. That could be what it is. You're probably supposed to stop and they just sail through, they don't give a shite. But according to form, we're not a million miles away, just basically just round this corner here. I've got a feeling we might be on the wrong bloody street. Tiny feeling we've come the wrong way. Because I put it in sat nav and there was two with the same name, and no, it's not down here. Not this street, is it? Avenue de Sofia, which is it is right. We're gonna have to spin round and about that way because it's definitely not here, is it? But this little ride today, most pleasant. But they're doing 350 miles from one end of Spain to the other. Yeah, big roundabout here by the looks of it. We'll spin round here and make our way back. I think it's actually on this road, the hotel. It's just that when we got to that roundabout, then we went right. I think we should have maybe gone left. All the kids on skateboards. How cool. It's down a lot way to the beach. You know, they start rolling there and they go all the way to the beach. Cool, man. Right, see if we can find this bloody hotel. The woman at the hotel said we could check in any time. She said the room might not be ready, but they said you put the bike in the park and leave all your gear with us and then go and do what you want to do. And that'll be it. All them kids are going to fly down here. Well, it's 80 degrees and it's 10 o'clock in the morning. We'll have a look and we're watching how long gone. Bloody speed bumps everywhere. Oh, it's 11:15, sorry, I'm lying. 11:15. 80 degrees, lovely. According to form though, this is the road of our hotel, Avenue de Sofia. So, I am presuming it's going to be straight across here. Yeah, it's down there, not right outside, so I remember it now. I do remember it now. When we came yesterday, we'd come through the town and come out virtually right at it. Today we've come from the opposite end. Yeah, that's it. So it's not right outside here, where that black car is. And apparently there's a car park at the back. What we'll do, we'll jib onto the path, I think, here and sort our shit out. And we'll throw it up here and throw it on the front here. And this is our hotel, folks. So we're going to try and sort our home for the next couple of days here and check in a bit. See you later, folks.